Welcome everyone to yet another video on ABC normal channel. ABC in a sense that we'll be using the basic and fundamental procedures in our videos to make you understand and take over your phone as simple as ABC. So in this video we're going to show you how to make at least $20 every single month. We wouldn't promise you $100 million because we can't do that. A friend of mine showed me and I have decided to show you. To return the favor, please share it to your friends, family and loved ones for them to also share and reach far. I've tried other sites that promised of the same amount. B2B trade made in China.com, and you have Fiverr, Forex, and trading stuff, and Amazon shopping and things. You can talk about the betting and then freelance, Bitcoins too. In betting, one thing is it is half risky, half advantageous. You can use less to gain more only if you get the right predictions or your predictions come through. So let's jump right into the thing. A summary of what I'll be doing or we will be doing in this video is we will be making playlists and enrolling it onto a website and wait for people to purchase our playlist. You create a playlist, you put the playlist on the website, and the website will do the marketing for us and get us some customers. So we will be creators or a creator on the website that I'll be teaching you. So first, this is what entails in this video. The videos will be in series. In this first video, we'll have to do creating the playlist. Now let's begin. Starting with the first part of the video, you download and open Spotify. So downloading, we go to Play Store, then we type in the search box Spotify. Now Spotify doesn't allow its homepage to be recorded, screen recorded. So we go back and go to the website, like getting Spotify via website. We type in Spotify in the search box, then we hit enter. Now wait for you choose Spotify. Now you sign up on Spotify. So you go through the button options and see. If you don't find it, check on the right top corner, the 3 stripes, then hit Spotify sign up or sign up in the options that comes up. You can sign up with Facebook, or you can scroll down and provide the various details and you hit sign up. Facebook, as my pointer is showing, Facebook, sign up with Facebook. Let's hit login below there. Now you can use all these, continue with Facebook, continue with Apple, continue with Google, to continue to skip the long procedures of providing your date of birth and stuff. So when I hit Google, continue with Google, you choose your account that you have on your system or your Google account, then everything is set up. So after downloading Spotify and you hit your Google account, Spotify will open up. So how to create your playlist? You check down below there, you see your library, as my pointer is showing. Your library, you hit it, then you see the plus sign, that's the create button as it was shown below. Now you hit, you create the playlist name. Yes, I'm mad, this is mine, then you hit create. Now the playlist is created. What you see is add songs. As I'm pointing, add songs. You hit the add songs option. Now you see the various songs and a plus sign, a circle plus sign. You hit the plus sign and it adds the song that you've chosen to your playlist. So look, as I'm doing on the screen. If you can't find it here, you type in the search box, the search with that magnifying glass over there, search magnifying glass. Now I'm typing take it back. It was sung by Sarkodie. I was searching for Sarkodie, but because of the tutorial, so I chose any. Then you hit again, down on one. That one to Sarkodie and Fuse ODD, down on one. Yeah, that song, you remember it. Now you go back and you see all the songs that you played, you added over there. Now this is the first part of the video, how to create a first playlist. So you follow the same procedures for the rest of the playlist that you wish to create. To our homepage, let's forget, let me show you how to find the number of followers you are having on a song. So let's get right through it. You will hit the right top corner, you see the button there, this also known as the settings. You hit it. This one, the GS settings there. You see that one? You hit it. Then you hit your profile name. My profile name is just Josh, so I hit it. This profile name, you hit it. It loads up, and you see playlists. I have 16 playlists. I have 29 followers on the playlist. I have 31 following. I'm following 31 people, and mostly they are artists. And if you want to edit your profile, your name and your profile picture, you hit the edit button, and let's see what will happen. So here you see, then when you tap on your profile picture, then it changes. Then when you tap on your name, it highlights. Then when you type anything, it changes. So I wouldn't want to change anything, so I just hit cancel. This side, cancel. No, I don't want to keep the changes, so I will discard. Yeah, no changes will be made. So these are my playlists. I want to see all, so I check all. Yes, I'm mad. You remember that one that we created? Yeah, that one. It has zero followers. Playlist followers 0. Mad at You 0 followers. La Vida 0 followers. It has great sounds too. Just that I'm not reaching out to people. I'm not sharing as much as I did to these Elite Vibe and then beat drops and then these bass busters. So let's open it up. So those are the number of followers I have on the track.
Thank you.